Hello there, it's Joe. I'm out on a walk today. I don't know if you can hear. It's very windy. Shall we see what me and Ziggy can find? Where's Ziggy? Let's have a look. There he is. Hello, Ziggy. What would you like to go and do? Come on then, let's see what we can find. This is Ziggy's favourite place. It's a big field or a meadow. He loves to run around. There's lots of pretty flowers in the meadow and lots of tall grass. I can see yellow flowers. I can see pink flowers. And I can see white flowers. Look, Ziggy's having a look too. Don't eat them, Ziggy. This flower, it's waving around in the wind. Whoosh went the wind. He is playing in the long grass. Where is he? Can you see? There he is. Hello, Ziggy. Oh, I've lost him again. Can you see him? Ziggy! There he is. Wow, look at these flowers. They're as tall as I am. Can you hear the wind in the trees? It's blowing the grass everywhere. It's very windy. And there's some big black clouds up there covering up the sunshine. I think it's going to start raining. Uh-oh. Yes, it is. Time to put my hood up. There you go. I've got my hood up now. I think it's a good job. I think it's time to start heading home. It's raining, but there's also a bit of sunshine. So I'm going to keep my eyes out to see if I can see something magical. Well, the rain is still falling, but the sun has come out. Let's look in the sky. A rainbow! Well, we're home from our walk, aren't we, Ziggy? Did you enjoy that? Did you? We got a bit wet though, didn't we? Time to dry off and get ready for our dinner. You say bye-bye.